Want to create jaw-dropping videos with AI in just minutes? Google Veo 3 just dropped, and it's changing the game for creators and filmmakers everywhere. The best part is it doesn't just generate video, it adds sound, dialogue, and cinematic flow.
This town ain't seen nothing yet.
Take a look at this scene from Google's wild collab with filmmaker Darren Aronofsky.
This was supposed to be a checkup.
Crash C-section.
Baby's in distress. We need help here.
We need to go.
Is my baby gonna be okay?
We can do everything we can.
Am I gonna be okay?
For every creature that came before you, from every star that died so that you could begin.
Amazing, right? Today at AppSolute, we'll walk you through how to access Veo 3, even if you're based outside the US, craft killer prompts, and work around its limitations. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get started. So, what exactly is Google Veo 3? Launched at Google I/O 2025, it's an AI video generator built by DeepMind that turns text or images into high-quality 4K videos, complete with realistic physics, cinematic camera moves, and native audio, like dialogue and ambient sound.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
What manner of magic is that?
What makes it stand out? Unlike OpenAI's Sora or Runway, Veo 3 doesn't stop at visuals. It adds dialogue, background music, sound effects, and emotional tone, making it perfect for ads.
Venox Vision. Real-time translation.
Just put them on.
Trailers, like we saw with Darren's Ancestra, short films, and immersive storytelling.
Is my baby gonna be okay?
Pretty wild, right? How to access Google Veo 3. Let's break down how you can get your hands on this beast. For US users, Veo 3 is bundled with Google's AI Ultra plan, which costs $249.99 per month. However, you can get it for $124.99 for the first 3 months. For non-US users, there are 3 options. 1. The Gemini app. Log in with an account on the Pro, Premium, or Ultra plans, tap the video icon in the prompt bar, and boom, you're in. 2. Google Flow. Tailored for filmmakers. It comes with Scene Builder and other amazing features, which enables you to tailor your input for the desired output. It's also part of Google's Pro, Premium, and Ultra plans. 3. Vertex AI for devs. If you're into APIs and custom workflows, this is your jam. But today, we'll keep it simple with Gemini and Flow. Let's walk through it, hands-on style. Step 1. Open the Gemini app. Sign in with your paid account. You'll see the video option once you're in. Select it. Step 2. Craft a killer prompt. The better your prompt, the better your video. Check out the output of these 2 prompts for a fictional movie thriller titled The Beginning of the End. Which do you think did better?
They see you now!
If they were really movies, which would you be intrigued to watch? The importance of writing specific prompts and literally thinking for the AI cannot be overemphasized. Ensure that each scene is as detailed as the result you imagined. Let's switch gears to Google Flow. Open the Flow app and Scene Builder is automatically selected. Proceed to enter a prompt appropriately. Let's see a demo. You can also use ingredients to video to add elements like props or effects to a scene, as well as create a video from an image using the Frame to Video feature. Once your video is ready, export it from Gemini or Flow. For longer videos or fixes, import into editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Add sound layers using tools like Audacity or Descript if the AI audio glitches up on export. With this, you can produce footage for real-world use. Limitations and workarounds. Is Veo perfect? Not yet. Let's talk about its quirks. They include 8-second cap per video for all subscriptions except the AI Ultra plan. Audio sometimes cuts out, especially when using Flow to extend or jump to new scene. Character consistency via Flow isn't always reliable, especially for non-Ultra plan subscribers. We hope it'll see improvements in the near future. Occasional deformity of body parts, especially when the prompt is too broad.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
US-only full-feature access. How can we work around some of these? Stitch multiple clips for longer sequences using an external app. Use the Add to Sketch feature of Flow's sketchboard to maintain character consistency. It might affect the audio and take several iterations to achieve, but it's the current best approach for users with limited access. If you have access to the full package, consider beginning your video generation by passing in reference images. If audio fails, add it in post-production with tools like Audacity. For non-international users, Google Cloud's credits are your best bet. You may try using VPN to bypass the US restriction for the full package, but it isn't advisable as you may be violating Google's terms and policies. You wouldn't want to do that, would you? And that's a wrap. Today you've learned how to access Google Veo 3, how to achieve amazing results from Veo by prompting right, how to use Gemini and Flow to access Veo, how to work around some of Veo 3's limitations. Looking ahead, Google might expand access globally or add longer video support to cheaper plans. So, stay tuned for these updates. Now it's your turn. Create something amazing and tell us about it in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the amazing world of AI apps. All links, tools, and resources mentioned are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.